Karagdagang Rio Olympian para sa Pilipinas ang naitala ngayong araw sa katauhan ni weightlifter Nestor Colonia. Ito ang good news ni Chef de Mission Joey Rumasanta sa PTV Sports kaninang umaga. Ang kabuang detalye sa report ni Arian Malyare.
Pasok na sa Rio Olympics si weightlifter Nestor Colonia. Ito ang masayang ibinalita ni Chef de Mission Joey Rumasanta sa PTV Sports kaninang umaga matapos umano silang makatanggap ng kumpirmasyon mula mismo sa International Weightlifting Federation. Ang Zamboanga City native na si Colonia ay seeded number 4 sa men's 56 kg division ng DataOlympic.com at regular din ang naging impresibong showing sa mga nakalipas na Olympic qualifiers simula pa noong nakaraang taon. Dahil dito, sinamahan na ni Colonia si fellow lifter Heidelin Diaz na sasabak naman sa Olympiad sa ikatlong sunod na edisyon.
I received a text message 4 o'clock in the morning because hindi ko man siya nakita. And then, si Mr. Romy Magat, yung who's cluster in charge of weightlifting, called me up. So, we verified. Then, pagdating nila Lisa sa POC office, nandun na, may email na kagad yung International Federation announcing the confirmation, providing a quota place for Nestor Colonia. Our jubilant congratulations to Nestor Colonia and welcome to Team Philippines. And I also mentioned to everyone who have been asking me for statements regarding Colonia that it's a fitting reward for Colonia, considering that he has really trained in earnest in determined to be counted among the world's best.
Samantala, hinikayat naman ni Rumasanta ang iba pang Olympic aspirants na pagbutihin pa ang performance sa mga Olympic qualifying tournaments upang mapalakas pa ang tsansa ng Pilipinas na makamedalya sa Olympiad.
Not to add pressure on those that are still qualifying, but we're very hopeful that there will be should be at least 3 more qualifiers to be named, including basketball, no? So that's where we are. We're very hopeful that we should have at least one in athletics and another female qualifier from golf.
Si Colonia ang pang-8 Rio Olympian ng Pilipinas na opisyal nang nakapasok sa 31st Summer Olympics kasama si Eric Ray at Mary Joy Tabal ng athletics, boxers Rogen Ladon at Charlie Suarez, weightlifter Heidelin Diaz, taekwondo Jean Elaine Alora at table tennis player Ayan Lariba. Para sa PTV Sports, Arian Malyare, Telebisyon ng Bayan.